Hi, boys and girls. I am Miss Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. So today we're going to be talking about patterns. Um, Today and tomorrow we're going to review some patterns, and then we're going to start with new patterns. Remember, I told you there are a lot of different patterns. So a pattern is something that is arranged following a rule. So you'll get a rule. For example, here the rule is red and blue, and then you continue the pattern following that rule. So the next one will be red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. They are alternating. It's just two different things and you're alternating them. One goes first, then the other, and the first one goes again, and then the other. Okay? To be able to recognize and create patterns, help us make predictions based on our observations. So that is why it's so important to learn about patterns, how to identify them, and how to make our own patterns. Today, we're going to be reviewing the AB pattern, and then we're going to try to do our own AB pattern. All right? Okay, so I'm going to show you a video about a teacher that is reviewing what AB patterns are. And so I'm going to show you that real quick, and then we'll talk about your homework.
Hi kids, my name is Teacher Celine, and today we're going to have fun learning together. Are we guys ready? Let's get started. Today's lesson is about patterns, and we will focus on patterns A, B, A, B. Patterns are important because they prepare children for learning concepts of math. Pattern A, B, A, B is really simple. It's alternating. So in this case, we will use the colors yellow and orange. So for this activity, we will be using what we call the Unifix cubes to show the patterns A, B, A, B. So again, it's alternating, so it's really simple. Let's look at the first example. What color is this? Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. Yellow, orange. So let's try that. So what is the first color? Yellow. What is after yellow? Orange. Let's look at the pattern. Yellow, orange. What is after orange? Very good. Yellow. Look at the pattern. Yellow, orange, yellow. Let's try this. Is it yellow again? Let's check. Yellow, orange, yellow. Yellow. Oh, correct, teacher. What should be the answer? Very good. It's orange. Let's check. Yellow, orange, yellow, orange. What is after orange? Yellow. It was after yellow. Very good. And it's orange. Let's check our pattern. Is it A, B, A, B? A, B, A, B, A, B. Correct. We are done with our first example. Do you want to try again? Okay, this time we will do white, blue. Remember, it's alternating. A, B, A, B. Okay, let's check. What is the first color here? White. Is after white? Blue. White, blue. White, blue. White, blue, white, blue, white, blue. Okay. Let's try it with our Unifix cubes again. So what is the first color? White. What is after white? Blue. Let's check. White, blue. What's after blue? White. Very good. Let's check again. White, blue. White, blue. Okay, let's check. White, blue. White, blue. What's after blue? Is this correct? Huh? No. White. I will check. Teacher will check. White, blue. White, blue. Teacher, not blue. So what is the answer? It's white. Very good. Let's check it again. White, Y, blue. Y, dipshit. A, B, A, B. Yay! Correct. So that's our lesson for the day. So I hope you enjoyed learning with Teacher Celine. So please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to talk about your homework. So today you're going to be creating an A-B pattern. And you can use anything you have at home. You only need to have enough so that you can finish the pattern, like show the rule and then continue the pattern or alternate the objects you're going to use. And here I have a couple of examples. This one I did in my house, and this was just like pasta, like the shell pasta, las conchitas, and beans. So I did the shell, the bean, the shell, the bean, the shell, the bean, the shell, the bean. And if I continue, I'll continue the same shell, bean, okay? And so that's one example that you can use with things that you have at home. Here's another example. Oops. Here's another example where they use stickers. So the rule that they use is like first we're going to use a sticker that looks like a flower and then a sticker that looked like a heart. So they did flower, heart, flower, heart, flower, heart. And if you continue it, will continue to be flower, heart, flower, heart. You're alternating those two things, right? Now, if you can't find anything around the house that you can use for A-B patterns, you can use your crayons or markers. So here I have two examples of A-B patterns, and they just did dots, a red dot and a blue dot, and they alternated them. So the rule is red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And here's another example where they use green and yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. And if you continue it, green, yellow, okay? So go ahead and work with your mom and think about two things that you can use to create an A-B pattern. You try to create it and then show it to your mom so she can check it. And if it's correct, go ahead and take a picture and send it to your teacher. And if it's not correct, mom can help you correct it, but at least you try to do it first, okay? And like I said, if you don't have anything at home that you can use for A-B patterns, you can always use just colors, like color a dot or a dot, one color and the other dot, the other color, or use squares and you color them in, or even you can draw shapes too. You can do like a square, triangle, square, triangle. You can use Legos, red Lego and a blue Lego, anything you can find, and take a picture of it and send it to me, okay? Okay, guys, so before I let you go, I wanted to review what we learned today. So today we went over or we reviewed the pattern A-B, and we saw a video about A-B patterns, and we also created our own A-B patterns. And we have learned that this is very important. It's very important to be able to recognize and create patterns because that will help us make predictions based on our observations, okay? And what all that means is that if we learn how to make patterns and we learn how to identify it, then when we're doing math, we're able to guess what might happen because we're basing everything on what we're seeing. So we're seeing a pattern and we're guessing what's next, right? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed today's videos and I can't wait to see all the pictures of your A-B patterns. So I'll see you here tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.